Hi, welcome to Lispy Kitchen. Have you ever seen coconut sprout? Today we are going to make a masala using this coconut sprout. This is very healthy and tasty. So please go through the entire video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. So let us see how to make delicious coconut sprout masala. Here I took two big coconut sprout, cut this side and cut into cubes. Now let us start the preparation. First of all, I heat some oil in a pan. Splatter half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now add 2 small onions chopped and 2 green chilies and few curry leaves, 2 dry red chilies. Saute well. Saute until the onions are light brown color. Now onions turn light brown. The sprout has some sweet taste, so I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Adjust your spiciness according to your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well in low flame. Now add 1 tomato pureed. Now the tomatoes are cooked well. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes off. Now the oil is released. Add chopped sprout. Mix well. The coconut sprout need less cooking. Now I am closing the pan with a lid for about 3 minutes for catching the masala on sprout. Now we can open the lid. The masala is well coated on the pieces. If you need some gravy for the masala, add 1 cup of water. Mix well. We need to cook 2 more minutes. Again, I close this with the lid. If you want, you can garnish with some coriander leaves. Now, the amazingly delicious and fully healthy sprout masala is ready.